Hello friends, I am Dr. Vivek Jain. Today I will be telling you about focus that you should do not on the success but for the success. Friends, always remember focus determines your reality. Always try to focus on your hard work. Be dedicated towards your goal and be sincere in your efforts. No one can stop you from achieving that particular goal. Friends, everyone may have a different goal. One student says, I have a goal of clearing that particular exam. Another student says, I have a goal of getting that particular job. A third student may have altogether different goal. I have to develop a project and make it a success. Friends, whatever your goal, try to define a path and then follow it. If you stay focused towards your goal, then no one can stop you. Do not look in any direction but only ahead. Focus. I can break it down as an abbreviation too. Follow one course until you reach success. Friends, remember, when you are moving on the path of success, please remember on this path towards success, you may encounter obstacles, you may encounter distractions, you may even encounter failures. Don't worry about that. Failures are just a stepping stone to success. What I will rather recommend or suggest is you should adapt and improvise on the path or road to success. Please remember friends, all of us are not same. So you should never judge yourself by looking at your friends or peers. See, all of us are different human beings. Some may be having a high IQ level. They can understand the things faster, better and have a better memory. It won't make a difference. Some others may have started early in the path to success. And there are some definitely who have more resources to meet the end. But don't worry. If you are focused, if you are determined and if you are sincere in your efforts, all these gaps will be bridged to take you towards the success. Please remember friends, one of the most quiet type of bird is owl. Do you know two interesting facts about owls? Number one, owls are far-sighted. They can see the prey from a very far distance also. And number two, their flight is silent. Their wings are designed in such a way that the feathers break and their generated turbulence into very small currents. So work like an owl. So friends, always work like an owl. Always keep the far-sighted success as a target for your eyes and make a totally silent flight towards the success. Do not make too much of noise. So as I say, successful warrior is always the average man but who has a laser-like focus. Finally, success at anything will come down to two factors. And what are these two factors? These are focus and your effort. And remember, as a person, we can control both effectively. You are the master. Listen to everyone. There is no doubt about that. But always follow what your own mind and heart says. Friends, whenever you feel tired, whenever you feel restless, whenever there are any doubts in the mind, forget everything. Just think about the final fruit of success. It is going to be sweetest. So please remember your own focus hard work. The resultant fruit is always going to be sweetest, which you are going to remember and cherish throughout your life. Focus on the process and keep an eye on the ultimate goal. Friends, have you ever seen a crocodile in a crocodile park or in a natural habitat or even in a zoo? It always keeps its mouth open like this while resting. What it is attempting to do? Possibly a bird which is not able to make out that this is a live animal. It comes and sits in its mouth and with a snap, suddenly it will capture the bird as its food. Now friends, for this particular catching of prey, this gigantic crocodile has to sometimes sit motionless for hours and hours. But ultimately, it is focusing on that hours and hours of hard work to get the ultimate goal of capturing a food or a prey for himself. Sometimes what happens, we keep on looking at the success only and we forget the process and the path. Sometimes we keep on focusing on success so much that we forget the process or the path in between. This crocodile tells you, motivates you to focus on the path so that you can reach the success very easily. Friends, if you have carefully noticed, big birds of prey like kite, eagles, they can set target on their prey even while flying kilometers away. Please remember, their big size does not matter. What matters is when they are going to catch a prey, their speed modulations, their path modulations. So when you are working towards a particular success oriented goal, then please remember that you have to modify, improvise, adapt according to the situation that you should always be ready for. And if you keep on moving towards your target or the prize, eventually you are going to reach the goal. Friends, if you have seen lion and tiger, they can roar up to a loud level of 115 decibels also, and their sound could be heard even up to 5 kilometers away. Idea is to scare others, warn others, but also as a show off of our power. Please, please, please remember, this roar is just like your success. When you are making the efforts, stay silent, keep on working towards your goal. Once you achieve the success, let your success make the noise. Have you ever seen a duck? It appears so calm on the surface, but it is paddling so hard beneath the water surface, and it appears that it is seamlessly, easily floating on the water surface. So friends, that should be kept in mind as a single sentence or a single thing. If I have to tell you, yes, focus on the achievement of success as a goal, but focus more on the path to the success. Friends, I wish you all the best for all your forthcoming examinations, not just academic, but in your life also. Thank you.